MLOps versus DataOps versus AIOps. What is the difference? MLOps, DataOps, and AIOps are three emerging disciplines that are reshaping how technology teams operate. They sound similar but serve very different purposes. MLOps stands for Machine Learning Operations. It applies DevOps principles to the machine learning lifecycle. MLOps covers model training, versioning, deployment, monitoring, and retraining. The goal is to take machine learning models from experimental notebooks to reliable production systems. DataOps stands for Data Operations. It applies Agile and DevOps principles to data pipelines and data management. DataOps improves the speed, quality, and reliability of data delivery across an organization. AIOps stands for Artificial Intelligence for IT Operations. It uses AI and machine learning to enhance and automate IT operations tasks. AIOps helps teams detect anomalies, predict incidents, and automate responses to IT events. To summarize, MLOps is for machine learning teams deploying models, DataOps is for data teams managing pipelines, and AIOps is for IT operations teams managing infrastructure. All three are growing disciplines with strong job markets globally. MLOps is particularly high demand as organizations move AI from research into production. If you work in data or machine learning, MLOps and DataOps are essential areas to understand. If you work in IT operations, AIOps is increasingly critical. All three represent the future of how intelligent, scalable systems are managed.